Indian Army. India has one of the best armies in the world. Indian Army is the real protector of this country. As we all know that India is the land of courageous people, where people don't hesitate to defend their country and sacrifice their life for the nation.
Legends never die when the world is calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you bleed for reaching greatness, relentless, you survive. They never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's big. Deep in their bones, they'll ride into smoke when the fire is big. Stand firm, 'cause legends never die. When the world's calling you, you hear them legends never die. They're written down in eternity, but you'll never see the price it costs. The stars collected all their lives. When everything's lost, they pick up their hearts and defend defeat. Before it all starts, they suffer through harm just to touch a dream. Stand firm, 'cause legends never die. When the world's calling when the world is calling out your name, begging you to fight. You stand forward, you stand firm, 'cause legends never die. When the world's calling you, can you hear them screaming
Indian Army is also carrying this leak of being friendly with the good ones and danger for the enemies. An army leads a very hard and disciplined life, right from training to the time he joins active duty. He has to be prepared to face every danger at all times. Many of them are posted dangerous places like the Siachen Glacier for monsoon. For kind of postings, armies cannot take their families with them. Staying away from the loved ones is also difficult for them. Nowadays, an army not only has to fight external enemies but the internal as well. Ensuring national security and national unity is the main focus of the Indian Army. Our army is fighting against external aggression and internal threats and maintain peace and security in Indian borders.
There are three ununiform parts of the Indian Army: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. The Indian Army is the second largest in the world, with approximately 1.23 million personnel on active basis and 9.6 lakhs as reserve. Indian Army is very big in size as well as on courage, bravery, and talent. It is divided into various divisions called as regiments. Indian Army also plays the role of humanity by conducting rescue operations during natural calamities within the border of the nation. To commemorate the valor and sacrifice of Indian Army, Army Day is celebrated on 15 January at India Gate, New Delhi. Various activities like military parade, cultural programs, events are organized on Army Day at Amar Jawan Jyoti near Indian Gate. Indian Army is the uniting force which binds whole country in a single thread of patriotism, as it has people from every religion and caste.
It is believed that everything can fail, but Indian Army cannot. Be it the courage and victories in war, as well as handling internal conflicts, we all salute our Indian heroes and pay homage to the supreme sacrifice which our army brothers are doing every day. They have to be constant duty against terrorists in various parts of the country. Example, Jammu Kashmir and northeastern regions. Armies are perhaps the most highly respected people in the society. An army is associated with courage and honesty. He is a true role model for young people to follow. The Indian Army has proved that the regimental colors its jawans carry are still a matter of honor. After independence, Indian Army has fought many wars and has won most of them, be it Kashmir War, India-China conflict, etc. They always say,
India is my home.
Duty is my life.
gun is my wife.